So, my topic is Introduction to Conditional Logic. Conditional logic helps program make decisions based on conditions. It's key for controlling the flow of code and outcomes. So, ang logic kay usa siya ka importanteng nga konsepto sa programming nga nagtudlo kung unsaon pagdesisyon sa program based sa kondisyon. So, sa English, it helps control the flow sa imong code. And then, kasagaran nga ginagamit nga pamaagi ani is mao ang if, else, o else-if statements. What is an if statement? So, definition, a statement that executes codes only if a condition is true daw. So, muna akong example here. Ano siya? And then, diri ang definition, ang if statement daw kay usa ka pahayag nga nag-execute lang og code kung true ang kondisyon. Nga na ang if statement. Then, use case. Use case, check if a user logged in before displaying content. Like for example is i-check daw kung nakalagin ba ang user before mo display og content. If nakalagin siya, show this dashboard. If dili, prompt login. So, understanding else statements. So, ang purpose is defines alternative actions when the condition is false. Kung false ang condition sa if, pwede gamiton ang else aron mo-handle sa alternative action. Like for example, show login prompt if user is not logged in. If user is not logged in, ipakita ang login form. So, combining if-else statements. Basic structure. Check condition. Run one block if true. Run another block if false. And then, muna siya. And also, you can use if plus else together. Then, muna yung basic structure, check condition. If true, buhata ang block A. Then, if false, buhata ang block B. And then, benefits, makes decisions dynamic. And then, improves program flexibility. So, here, nested if-else statements. Step 1. Outer if test first condition. Step 2. Inner if test a more specific condition. Step 3. Else handles remaining cases. And here, these are the common mistakes in if-else logic. Missing braces causes unexpected code execution. Poor identification reduces code readability and causes bugs. And then using assignment instead of comparison leads to logic errors. Then best practices for writing if-else code is plan conditions clearly, use braces for all blocks. Third, keep nesting shallow. Fourth, test all possible outcomes. So in here, summary and next steps. Conditional logic makes program responsive and adaptable. If-else executes code selectively based on conditions. Practice, try writing simple program using if-else statements. So, more na siya ang sa introduction to conditional logic.